Hey y'all, I'm gonna sing I Don't Want to Be by Gavin Degraw, and I just really want to know like if I can sing or not. So because like I'm in college, it's my sophomore year, and I just really need to know like if I want to continue my musical career or if I need to go in a different direction. So just comment below and let me know, or you can email me at shopaholic22195 at yahoo.com. Okay. I don't need to be anything other than a prison guard son. I don't need to be anything other than a specialist son. I don't have to be anything other than the birth of two souls in one. Parts of where I'm going is knowing where I'm coming from. I don't want to be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I have to do is think of me and I have peace of mind. I'm tired of looking around, who's wondering what I gotta do, or who I'm supposed to be. I don't want to be anything other than me. I'm surrounded by liars everywhere I turn. I'm surrounded by imposters everywhere I turn. I'm surrounded by identity crises everywhere I turn. Am I the only one who noticed? I can't be the only one who's learned. I don't want to be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I have to do is think of me and have peace of mind. I'm tired of looking around rooms wondering what I gotta do, or who I'm supposed to be. I don't want to be anything other than me. Yeah. Can I have everyone's attention, please? If y'all not like this and that, you're gonna have to leave. Came from the mountain, the crust of creation, the whole situation made from clay to stone, and now I'm telling everybody I don't be and other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I have to do is think of me and I have peace of mind. Looking around rooms wondering what I gotta do, who I'm supposed to be. I don't want to be other than me. I don't want to be any. I don't want to be